Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Susanna and welcome back to another video. Welcome you all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being there for me, and thank you so much for bringing me from 0 subscribers to this far. I really appreciate. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. May God bless you and may you continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so if you're new here or if you just come across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and share, like, and comment. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my content, and I really appreciate. Kindly share the video, like, and tell a friend to tell a friend also to subscribe to the channel. So today's video is all about how to I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to go viral on YouTube, how to get subscribers fast. Like have you ever noticed that some YouTubers post actually one video in one day and then the next day they have gone viral? Do you know why? Were you confused also like the way I was? So it is because of, just few tips. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to share with you. And if you see me looking down, I'm having some notebook here. I have noted them down here. So those are the tips that I'm going to share with you. Tip number 1 is about a niche. A niche is actually, let me explain to you what a niche is. A niche is, how can I say, is what you want to do, is what you is your hobby. Let me put it that way. It's that thing that you love doing without even somebody teaching you. So you just want to do it because you love it, okay? Either, like, most especially, you love cooking, you love vlogs like travel, gymming, so many. You love reviewing, you love things like that. So you love try on haul, reviewing hotels, you love pranks, you love sitting down videos, you love anything you love playing games, that is what is called a niche. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you must have a niche. If you want to start about cooking, your channel must be about cooking only if you want to go viral. And because when people are looking for your videos, when cooking videos, like you show the tutorials on how to cook this food, how to cook pancakes, how to cook ugali, how to do anything that you love cooking, right? So you have to show all those tutorials so that when people are looking for you, it can be easy for them to find you. Okay, they say today, Susan is posting a video. Let me rush to her channel and see what she has for us. Like what she's teaching us how to cook. Okay, that is what is called a niche, and it is most important. You have to have a niche if you want to start a video, and if you want to go viral, you have to have a niche so that you can go viral very fast. Okay, that is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is titles. Titling your videos. A title is a name of the video that you have recorded. Yeah, like, is your video how to cook ugali? That is how you're going to name it, that video. How to cook ugali. That is what a title is. A title of your video. How to cook ugali. How to cook meat stew. How to cook liver. How to cook. That is what a title is. Like, most especially if you know that thing is there before you post a video. Let me make this clear for you, because for me at the beginning I used to be confused. When you record a video and then when it's time for posting, you actually have to first go for some research. Go search. You search if that title is trending. Yeah, if there are some people that have actually recorded videos about how to cook liver, how to cook meat stew, how to cook this and this, like how to try on whole, things like that. So you first have to go and search that. You can find many people actually copy and paste other titles which are already on my YouTube. So you just paste that title to your video, as long as you've talked about that, what that person has talked in the video. That is what is called related videos. So that video will YouTube, I think, will just put it as a related video to that video. Okay, so titling videos is good, because when somebody is just typing something, when somebody is looking for something on Google, on YouTube, so that your video can pop fast. Yeah, because when your video pops out fast on the search, so somebody can be curious to click on that video. Let me click on this video and hear what it's about. Okay, that is how people go viral on YouTube. Okay, so tip number 3 is thumbnails. A thumbnail is a picture that you can put on your video, like your own picture, like you've recorded a video and you're posting it on YouTube, and then you just put that picture for somebody to know that it is you, or to recognize you. And then that picture you have to post it when it is catchy, so attractive, like when somebody is when your video has just come across someone can just be like, that title, that thumbnail looks catchy, so let me click it. What actually attracts so many viewers and subscribers is a thumbnail and title. So when somebody sees that video and sees the thumbnail is very catchy, so somebody can just click on the video and just go in and watch the video. Okay, so that is why when you see a video on YouTube, somebody has put that beautiful thumbnails and things like that. Sorry, that beautiful picture, like somebody has jumped, somebody is holding something. That is what is called a thumbnail. Yeah, you think that thumbnail is in the video. No, it's not in the video. It is just a thumbnail, a picture somebody has just put it there for attraction. Okay, that's why so many people go viral on YouTube. So you should also do that. So another thing, oh my god, the other thing is description. A description is the words that you write after you've posted a video. Like even you've written your title, you put your thumbnail, so down there and the description is what the video is all about. That, like now, the explanations that you're explaining about your video. This video is all about cooking. You can use this and this to cook. You can put these spices to cook this food, things like that. So that is what's called a description. And remember, in a description you also have to write good words, because a description in a video, those words also pop up on the search when you go to Google and start searching. Yeah, some words pop up and then it will direct somebody to go and watch your video. So that is another way you can go viral on YouTube. Actually, my son is awake and trying to distract me. So another tip is quality content. Yeah, when you're recording, Dylan, kaa chini hapo. When you're recording a video, you actually have to record a video on without noise, either with enough light, and when it is not black or blurry, things like that, so that when somebody comes across that video, somebody can just be happy to watch. He's seeing everything is clear, things like that. So not there is black, the blinking of the video, things like that. So the video should actually be stable. Yeah, like when you're cooking, that video should not be moving like this, and it should be stable, so somebody can just watch it very clearly and no swiping it. Yeah, because when the video is just blinking like this, somebody can just swipe it and go and watch another video. So that is another tip. That is what makes some people go viral and get many views, because obvious, when somebody watches your video, can just click on like and subscribe. Dylan, stay there, stay Car apple. Guys, this son of mine is actually crazy. Sit there. Car apple. So another thing, guys, is CTA. Dylan. Oh my God, guys. Ah. Chica. So sorry, guys. So another tip is actually called CTA. CTA is call to action. If you don't know, it's that thing when you're recording a video, like when you've started a video, when you've started recording a video, then you say, hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and take a one. Kindly share, like, subscribe. Yeah, things like that. That is called the call to CTA, because you have to tell your people out there what to do. Yeah, you have to tell people that what to do and to subscribe to your channel. No, because if you don't tell them, of course they will not subscribe. So people need to be told to subscribe, share, like, and comment. So that is CTA, call to action. So another tip is collaboration. This one of collaboration actually is not that a must, because big YouTubers actually seem to reject small YouTubers outside there, because they think that they are taking many of their customers. So like, how can I say, like, many of their subscribers or many of their viewers, or the attraction of their viewers, and the viewers will just run away from them and go to the small YouTubers. So that's why you find it is very, very hard for big YouTubers these days to actually support the small YouTubers. So stop. So for them, when you call them, actually, like, stop. Hi, guys. So there are some actually that respond to small YouTubers. They can post your channel, your video, they can share your video at their community tab. There is what is called the community tab, whereby you can share someone's video so people can view there and subscribe to your YouTube channel as a community. That's like a community of your subscribers, of you creating a community with your subscribers and your viewers. So they can be, the day when you have not posted a video, you can actually post your photo there or anything, so that you tell them, today I'm not actually, there is no video for today, tomorrow or later I'll be uploading a video, so that they can be aware of what is going on with you. So that is called community tab. And actually, let me tell you the reality about some of the big YouTubers. Stop it. Some of the YouTubers, if they accept to pick up your call, they can actually tell you, if you want a collaboration with me, you have to pay the money. And then, if you want a collaboration with me, we need to do a video together, so that he can post or she can post that video on their channel, and then also you post on your channel. Some of them, they request for money, and some of them, they just reject it completely. So that is how big YouTubers are these days. But if you're starting a YouTube channel, don't actually think that you can be promoted by any big YouTuber that you have, unless you have a lot of money to give them. Yeah. So another tip is actually sharing video. Like, you posted your video, yeah, like you posted your video to YouTube, make sure you also post it to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and WhatsApp. Yeah, you make sure you've shared that video to all the social media, your social medias. Make sure all those apps, you have it in your phone, okay? Because the more you post there, the more people will review it. Though you get few views, but still they can actually bring other viewers to your video, to your channel. Though you get one subscriber, they can actually steal. That one subscriber can share your video and bring many subscribers. So that's why you have to share to your social. When you post that video to YouTube, make sure you share it to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp. Just let your people know. And the most important thing when you're starting a YouTube channel, you have to let your family know that you've started a YouTube channel, because that's the biggest part of it. Those are the big subscribers. Actually, the first subscriber that can actually promote you to other people is your family. Let them know that you have a YouTube channel, and you show them and you tell them what you're doing, so that they can actually give you the idea. They can guide you on how to do what you're doing, what you've started doing. So they can actually promote you. They can be sharing your video on WhatsApp, on their Instagram, things like that. That's why so many people, at least in just one day or in 1 week or in 1 month, they just boom, they have gone viral. Yeah, they have gone viral, and they have just, somebody, you wake up in the morning, somebody has just got 1,000 subscribers in just 1 week. Which is so hard to hit these days. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in just 1 week. Someone is just boom, a full YouTuber, without even being stressed a lot, like the way some of us are stressed nowadays. So that is the tip. And then another thing is actually when to post your videos. Put your schedule. Put your schedule on the all. Like, when do you want to be posting your videos? Like, do you want to be posting your videos in like once a week, twice a week, or once a week, or in a month? Yeah. So you have to make your schedule very well, and then make sure you let your subscribers know. You see on the description, you make sure you write on the description when you post your videos. Like there's that video when you're starting a YouTube channel, like get to know me, yeah, or welcome to my YouTube channel. You can use any, but most especially it is used as get to know me. Get to know me is the first video that you post on your channel when you're starting a YouTube channel. Yeah, when you're starting a YouTube channel, you start with get to know me, whereby you can introduce your name, where you're from, what you do, how old you are, and when you'll be posting your videos, how many days in a week do you want to be posting your videos. You let your subscribers know. Yeah, so that is how people go viral on YouTube, so that when it reaches like on Friday, somebody will be like, on Friday Susan is posting a video, let me go and see what she has posted. Yeah, so that's why so many people go viral. So that is all actually I wanted to share with you on this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you will be happy to start your YouTube channel. Actually, YouTube is for everybody. It's not for one person, it's not for 2 people, it's not for 3 people. YouTube is for everybody. You start anytime, any day you want. So that is all. And kindly, if you come across my YouTube channel anywhere, anyhow, just subscribe, share, like, and comment. And thank you so much. I would really appreciate if you do that. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.